This week, we'll take a look at updated crop condition ratings for beans, as well as harvest progress, examine the short-term weather forecast, as well as updated trends in export sales. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the soybean market. We've moved into the latter part of September here, and harvest is slowly starting to gain momentum. Before taking a look at harvest, however, let's take a look at the updated crop condition ratings. Now, as usual here, our map examines the good to excellent ratings for beans this week compared to a week ago. The slight improvement overall nationwide to 58% good to excellent. That's up a point from last week. However, it's still below last year's 63% level. The biggest improvement this week was seen in Illinois, and we did see some improvement also out in Nebraska as well as South Dakota. Moving now to our U.S. Soybean Crop Condition Index. We're looking at a stable crop condition index this week for beans overall. Still slightly above where it was 2 years ago, but well below some of these recent years. Looking at soybean harvested here as of mid-September. Nationwide, we're at about 6% as of September 19th. Notice on average over the next 2 weeks, soybean harvest does accelerate, increasing about 20% on average from September 19th to October 3rd, weather permitting. Speaking of weather, let's take a look at the short-term weather trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here looking at the next few days, and there is some heavy rain forecasted for that eastern Corn Belt. Parts of Michigan, Ohio, as well as eastern Indiana. Heavy rain in some instances that may slow down harvest progress. Beyond that, however, it does look to be dry for an extended period of time, which will be good, of course, for harvest progress, as well as continued winter wheat planting. Let's quantify that for the next 7 days. We're looking at the heaviest rainfall again over that eastern Corn Belt. Very little to no rain, however, in the western Corn Belt as well as the northern plains. So really looking at some ideal soybean harvest weather west of the Mississippi River. Let's now move to the October forecast from the National Weather Service. We're looking at very warm temperatures across the entire soybean belt here in the Midwest. We are looking at some increased chances for above normal precip across that eastern Corn Belt. That will be important to monitor, of course, as we get further into soybean harvest, as well as it may impact winter wheat planting. Now we're going to switch gears here and wrap up today looking at trends in export sales. We're looking now at a much different picture for soybean exports moving into the fall compared to a year ago. Notice last year we had a record amount of unshipped bean sales on the books. This year, however, that's dropped quite a bit, led by a big drop in China. And we're looking at the second lowest total of unshipped sales on the books to all destinations since 2008. Another area that's a bit worrisome in terms of soybean exports is the other Asia region, as we're not seeing much export booking take place there. Let's wrap things up this week, taking a look at trends in November soybean futures. We'll continue to emphasize this slide as we go through harvest. We're looking at the highest price for November soybean futures for late September since 2013. So it's very important that you continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants. We'd be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.